Everyone, and welcome to the Monday night edition of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and boy, what a hot start to the new trading week. First up, we had a new special NASDAQ penny stock alert for subscribers. It opened at the low of the day and rallied throughout the day, closing up double digits. We will be having further updates on this penny stock this week, but we sent out to our subscribers first. If you want to get in early on these types of plays, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, 1 plus area coded number. And never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And text messages are the fastest way to get our alerts. And guys, remember, we are a completely free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Discord rooms, no Telegram chat rooms whatsoever. But in the overall market, SPY opened at 400 and it sold off throughout the day as worries over supply chain, delays out of China. You got a lot of protesting happening right there. And then it's just overall, what can't go higher must go lower. Market just really consolidating up here. You know, it just couldn't move any higher above the 400. In terms of the SPY, plus we have the jobs report coming out on Friday, and then on December 14th you have the FOMC. There's a 32% chance of a 75 basis point rate hike. I am forecasting a 50 basis point rate hike. But right now, in pennies, what's working right now is COSM and Dbgi. It's funny, actually, COMS closed up 31%, also bidding in the after hours. There's just a lot of confusion. People are getting the ticker symbol mixed up, so they think, COSM is the same play as, COMS is the same play as COSM, so that's what's happening there. But COSM closed at 58 cents, up 35%. We're trading at 70 cents in the after hours. And this is another one that we showed to our subscribers early. Congrats to all who are banking in COSM. But there's a lot to like about COSM. Today we got a new Form 4. The CEO, he bought 800,000 shares at 62 cents. This was actually a conversion. He converted some preferred shares to common stock. This guy is just, I know I don't buy into the whole diamond hands, paper hands BS, but he is certainly diamond hands in COSM. He now has 20.1 million shares total. I've been talking about this one. He did a buy of 12.5 million shares at 12 cents, and now here he's continuing to add to his position here at 62 cents. So this is definitely a CEO that believes in his company, and one that we are following here. If you look here, we're going to run into some resistance at 75 cents and then $1. So these are my next two resistance levels on COSM. And guys, this insider buying is so key here. You look at, he's buying, and you look at the other one that AMC, that a lot of people are just sandbagged in. They're bag holding. I mean, look what the happened here. I mean, this is all sale. The CEO, Adam Aaron, who, I don't know why you guys, the apes, think this guy is their savior, or he's in with them. I mean, he sold 300,000 shares at $22.85. It's at $7. I mean, this guy, it's a pump and dump. He pumped and dumped on you, saying, oh, we're going to stick it to Wall Street. The only one that got sandbag was the retail. So guys, I can't stress this enough. Ignore this bullshit. These guys putting out these non-stop videos about some of these plays. Guys, focus. What I try to do here at InsiderFinancial.com. Again, none of this is financial advice. It's entertainment purposes only. Guys, you got to play the hot names. get in, get out, move on to the next play. You know, and there's a lot of, besides watching my videos, getting our alerts, but I mean, you know, you stock twits, you got Hedge Social, there's a lot of sentiment indicators, and look at the rankings. I mean, COSM, this is what people are talking, HLBZ, Dbgi. This is what's hot right now. No one's talking, you know, in these most active, no one's talking about, you know, CRTD, GTII. I mean, just look at the daily chart on these two plays here. Guys, the play, you know, it happened. It ran. Now it's dumping. You know, I don't know where the next move is on CRTD or GTII. All I know is that the easy money has already been made. And that's what I believe in. I can't stress this enough. That's what I try to do for our subscribers. It's all about getting, you know, easy money. Like today's alert, it opened at the low of the day and rallied throughout the day, closing up double digits. These are the types of plays we like and we look for here at insiderfinancial.com. So make sure you click that link in the description. Please sign up. Again, it's completely free service. But one that we've been all over here is Dbgi, Digital Brands Group, Inc., the next major short squeeze. We posted this on November 23rd. You know, November 23rd, the stock opened at $4. You know, subscribers got in a little bit earlier. And, you know, we ran all the way to $9, over $9 today. So over 100% gains, potential gains in just under a week. Congrats to all banking in Dbgi. But if you look at the short term, the 15-minute chart here, you know, I know a lot of people are like, I don't use RSI on, you know, shorter time frames. You know, I like the 15-minute if I'm doing intraday trades. Look at this one. This RSI, you know, got above 80 right over here on this one rally here. We peaked here at 650, pulled back to $5. And then we rallied here, got again above 80, you know, topped out here at, you know, just above 9 at 939, and then closed at 744 or 725. We're trading 744 in the after hours. This is a lot of money you're leaving on the table if you're not trading these moves. This is, I cannot stress this enough. Trade around these names. You know, if you want to keep a core position, keep your core position, but always be booking profits and taking some money off the table. Please, it's all about P&L at the end of the day. Nothing else matters. You know, did you make money? You know, are you making money or not? That's all that matters. It's not about sticking it to Wall Street, sticking it to the hedge funds. Believe me, these hedge fund guys have more money than you and me could ever dream of having. So, you know, you're not sticking it to them. You know, Gabe Plotkin, you know, he still owns a piece of the Charlotte Hornets. You know, he's still living in his $30 million Miami mansion. He's flying around on his jet. You know, yes, he closed down Melvin Capital, but he made plenty of money. So, you know, in that GameStop fiasco, everyone's like, oh, we're going to stick it to Melvin. He's laughing all the way to the bank. So please, you know, ignore all that BS. HLBZ, talked about this one over the weekend, closed up 18%. GDVM continuing to run, this is one of the best plays on the OTC, just waiting for the VMOS merger. The CEO, he's been reducing the share count, and he's just, this is an classic example of, you know, the type of quality play that you want to find on the OTC, you know, with no dilution, because that's what kills, you know, these plays. Dilution is the enemy of all small cap traders. So the key is focusing on watching the dilution, and you know, it's all about supply and demand, guys. MKGP closed flat, up 1%. Watch this one, guys. This one here, the company put out news. MKGP is excited to release news next week. They posted this on the 25th that will potentially transform the company and take our first major step forward towards a strong oil and gas independent. So MKGP, we're getting news this week. Pay attention to this one, but it's already been running. Again, guys, it might be, you know, buy the rumor, sell the news. RSI is at 91. Just be a little cautious of that. Use a trailing stop or take some money off the table, and keep your core position and look to buy on the dip. But again, none of this is financial advice. Lastly, guys, IFUS, we got a new article posted over the weekend. Impact Fusion, IFUS, cattle feed disruptor restarts feed production plant. Highly recommend you go and check this out. IFUS, running here from 1.5 cents up to 4, pulled back here. We're consolidating here, but there's a lot of due diligence put together by Mike Long here on InsiderFinancial.com. Highly recommend you go and read this article on IFUS. But with that being said, right now, let's just keep focusing on what's working. No new plays for tonight. If I see anything in the pre-market, I will send out an alert to subscribers. So make sure you click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Again, it is a completely free service. Sign up with your email and mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get alerts. You'll get a text message with the symbol and our full report so you can do your own due diligence and then decide if it's right for you. No obligation whatsoever, because we are a completely free service here at insiderfinancial.com. With that being said, congrats to everyone that banked this week. Last week was a stellar week here at insiderfinancial.com. Let's keep the momentum going. Let's finish the year strong and keep banking, guys. Have a great Tuesday, and I'll be coming live to you after the bell tomorrow with a new video update. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.